All right, guys in the shop, super busy. Got another military project thing going on here for overseas. This is for the new Land Cruiser 300 series. So we don't really get those in the United States. Toyota stopped doing Land Cruisers here. They only offer it as a Lexus, which is the Lexus LX. This is a new uniball, wider kit with a slapper arm. Putting these together now, so you guys are busy doing that. Got a couple new trophy truck kits about to go together. The first one out of these 3 new trucks we're building, we got for Jerry Larimore. We're putting that together now. We just started this last Friday, getting the fixtures all together, and on Monday they started kicking all the tubes. So this is a MIG welded trophy truck. Pretty cool how we're doing this. You can see that weld quality down there. It's definitely super nice. Really nice big welds, really strong. It saves a lot of money because it's a lot less time to do this. Same quality truck. Based off the same race winning trucks we have. It's kind of a cross between, our current race trucks at 6100/trophy truck and the green trophy truck. So it's a little bit wider cab than our 6100, a couple inches taller. It's a little bit bigger. It's got a rear fuel setup, which makes it a lot easier to build. So it's very similar to this truck here, which is the F100 trophy truck we're doing with our whole bulkhead front end, but basically the same idea. So that's what it'll look like, except the cab on that truck, on this pre-runner that we have here, is a little narrower to fit the F100 cab, but same idea, same look. We went a lot bigger in the node area here, so we actually pulled this out. So these new MIG welded trucks will actually be able to fit a big block, so that's pretty cool. Got Twisted Monkey's trophy truck getting prepped for the Parker 425. Motor's getting all freshened up. All the suspension's getting magged. We went through the whole gas tank and the whole system already. So just doing a full prep on that, getting ready for Parker 425 and next year's Mint 400. We got the Twisted Monkey TRX in the shop. We just scanned all the suspension to that. So we're gonna have all that suspension soon. We have Jason Campbell's Buggy here. This thing's just badass. So he's got the Maruzi twin turbo engine in the back on Garrett turbos, all XRP plumbing on Motec from James Lynn. Jason made these bypass shocks here. These are internal bypass shocks. He did these about 10 years ago, the kinetic bypasses on a cantilever rear suspensions, really trick. He also did the slapper rear air bump with the Fox air bumps back here, so that's cool. Got a full JL audio system in here. This thing is badass. Albin's transmission, fuel cell under the rear seats. That's the interior right here. All wired with Scosche wiring, all high-end stuff there. Jason just did a phenomenal job on this car. Front suspension, same thing. Got all FK rod ends and everything. It's like basically a Class 1 car front suspension, very similar to a trophy truck. Single internal bypass shocks in the front. Got the Baja Designs lights mounted on there. Right now the whole body's off the car because he's doing some work to the car here. Just took it out to Glamis, used it, and making some more changes. So these things are always kind of a evolution. And that's it for now in the shop. A lot of stuff going on. Gonna be taking off for the Christmas holiday and be right back at it next week. So check back for more updates, and thanks for watching all our videos. Talk to you guys soon.